Uh. Yeah, I'm surviving one day. I'm surviving like 5 minutes in the snow while it's snowing. It is very slippery. We are doing a documentary film of how it feels. There's garbage everywhere. How it feels to be in a documentary video. Also outside when it's snowing. Oh my god. It is very cold. I already got frostbite already. I'm going to... Oh no. Well, I should have put on long pants. I regret everything. Anyway. Great, this was a bad idea. I should have put on long pants. Oh! Oh! I have to... That's it. Blaze of fire! Oh! 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 It's so cold! Oh! It's so... Whoa! Whoa! Oh! My legs are frozen! Oh! 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 Whoa! Hello! Here's Johnny!